Expressway in Slover, and he thinks a gentleman has a gun.
Okay, thank you. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, why do you think this?
I've seen him pull it out once, and I just kind of hid behind something so he didn't see me.
Well, so what exactly happened?
I was going into work, and I saw this man walking up and down the street, and he looked disgruntled, very disgruntled.
Okay.
And when he saw the car, he pulled the gun out, and so I just kind of drove into my workplace like a little faster than I normally would.
Is he black,
And
white,
I immediately
Hispanic, or
called
Asian?
you guys.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's black.
What is he wearing?
He has dreads.
Okay, and what is he wearing?
He's wearing a black sweatshirt and some cargo pants. They're brown.
Brown cargo pants? Okay, where did he go?
I'm looking at him right now. He's still walking up and down the street. I don't think he sees me.
He's pacing on Slover?
He's on Commerce Way.
Okay. And where is the gun? Where did he pull it out of?
He pulled it out of his pocket.
Okay.
But I do need to go into work.
Okay, what is your name?
I feel a little bit safer inside there.
What is your name? Okay. And where do you work?
HSN, the warehouse.
Okay. Can they contact you if they need contact?
One more time?
Can the officers contact you if they need contact?
Yes, you can call my number.
Okay. And did he point it at you?
He pointed it at the car, yes.
Okay.
And then that's when I just drove. That's when I just drove a little bit faster. I didn't know what else to do.
Okay.
But I have to go into work tonight.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Camera recording started.
Tom 8, I'm 97. I'll be out with him. Just north of Santa Ana.
Copy, north of Santa Ana. Code 33 on Fontana 1, code 33 on Fontana 1.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands right now. Show me your hands. Do not pull anything out. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Put them up in the air. Put them up in the air. Both of your hands. Put your left hand out. Pull your left hand out. Do not face away from me. Pull your left hand out. Pull your left hand out. Right now. Do it. Do it. Pull your hand out. Do not pull a gun out. I'm telling you right now, I will shoot you. You understand me? Pull it out and put your hands up in the air. Listen to what I'm telling you. Pull your hand out. Pull your hand out. Right now. Pull your hand out. Dude, pull your hand out. I do not want to shoot you. Pull your hand out right now. Pull your hand out. Pull your left hand out, sir. Come on. I do not want to shoot you. Pull your hand out. Pull your hand out of your pocket, bro. Come on. Don't do this, man. Do not do this. Pull your hand out. Pull your hand out. I'm not going to. Pull your hand out. Pull your hand out, bro. Come on. Stop this. Don't fucking do this, man. Just pull your hand out. We'll get through whatever you're going through, man, but don't fucking do this. Let me see your left hand. Pull it out. Bro, pull it out. What is your name? What is your name? Talk to me. Hey, talk to me, bro. Come on, you're going through some shit. Let me help you. Let me help you. Pull your hand out. Bro, pull your hand out. What's your name? What's your name? Tell me your name. Tell me your name. It does matter, bro. Come on, let me help you out. Let me help you out. Pull your left hand out so I can approach you safely. Pull it out. Come on, dude. Bro, pull your hand out. Pull your left hand out. Let me see it, man. Come on, pull it out. Pull your hand out, bro. Dude, pull it out. Let me see your left hand. I don't want to shoot you, but let me fucking help you. Come on. We don't want to do this, man. Bro, I'm telling you right now, pull your left hand out so I can see what you got in your pocket, bro. Dude, pull your left hand out. Pull your left hand out. I don't want to shoot you. Pull your left hand out. Come on, man. Pull your left hand out. Get your hand off of the gun, dude. I could see you're holding a gun. I could see the outline through your sweater. Pull your left hand out. Let go of the gun and pull your left hand out, dude. Pull your left hand out. Do not pull the gun out, bro. Just let go of it and pull it out. Thank you. Thank you. Just stay just like that, okay? Can you put your hands on your head for me? I gotta place you in handcuffs. I'm gonna fucking help you, bro, okay? I'm gonna help you out. You may think I can't, but let me try. Just give me a chance. Okay? Put your hands on your head for me.
You can't help me.
Let me try. Put your hands on your head. Put your hands on your head for me. Tom, he has his left hand on a gun. It's in his pocket. I can see it. He won't pull it out. I have him on his knees. Right hand is out. I have one at gunpoint.
3 seconds out, John.
What's your name? Come on, dude. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Look, my partners are coming right now. We're going to put you in some handcuffs. Just stay just like that. Do not put your left hand back in your pocket or I will assume you're going for your weapon, okay? Just stay just like that. I don't want to kill you, dude. Do not put your left hand back in that pocket. I'm telling you right now. Okay? Stay right there. No, I don't want to kill you. I don't want to kill you. You're not dying today. Stay just like that. Gun's in his front left pocket in his sweater. All right, come on. Walk out to your stomach. Walk out to your stomach. Lay flat out on the ground. I don't want to kill you. I told you that. Lay straight on your stomach. Lay straight on your stomach.
Put your hands out in front of me, man. Come on, dude. We don't want to hurt you. We want to help you. We want to help you.
Well, let us try. Like I told you, let us try.
Let's put on a cross already.
Neil, do you want to come in on his right hand? I'll come in on his left. Steve, you got covered. Stay just like that. 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 I told you we're not going to kill you, dude. Going this way, his gun's right up here. Oh, it's a cell phone.
I don't know what to call.
Where's the gun at, my man?
I don't have one.
You're the one that called on yourself?
Code 3 online.
Let's search his other side.